Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a tiny mini shopping spree. I know I don't have like thousands of star coins, but I have almost 2,000 Robux coins and I have 210 star coins. So we're going to be doing it like, we're just going to be using what we got, you know. We're just going to be going with the flow, and I have to speak really loud because I've got this new screen recorder, and my voice has to be loud. So, yeah. So, I'm really excited to post this video and everything. So, alright, I have to pick a horse now because I don't want to use the same horse as the last video. So, I'm just going to pick a horse. Sorry if the quality of my sound is bad. Just because, like, you know, difficulties. Alright. We'll use Pup or Teddy. That's his nickname, by the way, guys. Alright, now we have to pick an outfit for today's video. I'm kind of doing a little behind the scenes, okay. Anyways. Oh gosh. Okay. Let's do our blue outfit. Because why not? Let's do our black and white saddle and our bridle, and let's leave the pet. Alright, so the first place I'm going is the mall. So, we're going to York City Mall. And by the way, guys, I don't really know, I forgot what server I'm on, but I will figure out soon, because I forget my server. So I'll figure out soon and tell you, and then you can come and play with me. So, yeah. Alright. Okay, guys. Sorry, I just had to shut up my door. But I got my lunch too, so I'm just gonna have to multitask. It's a bit hot right now, so I'm just gonna wait. Okay, we're gonna leave Teddy here, or Top here, whatever you wanna call her. I'm gonna leave my horsey here. There's no really not a point around then, but anyway. The lunch is a bit hot. Right. So the first place, I wanted to go in the tax store because I want to try and get an outfit and maybe a new hair or makeup do or something. I love that so bad. Wait, I've got it. I've got it in my. Okay. Anyways, moving on. Not really my style, but I mean, it's nice, I guess. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, hang on. So, wait. I want this so bad. because I know what will match it. Yeah, that's good for now in the shop. So now what I want to do is I want to see if it's in global store. If it's not in global store, it must be in the... Oh my god, they're pretty breeches. These are really pretty breeches, oh my god. No, not horse gear. Okay, right. This matches it. So I'm getting it. We just kind of made an outfit there, but we need... If there's any... we need... Oh, it's a bit off colour. Oh shoot. The green, there's no green that matches perfectly. We need a good match, guys. Alright, let's go to the... Let's put this on. That one. No, actually, let's keep this one. He's got saddle. Not saddle. Okay, just don't worry, guys. And let's go to the... Let's go upstairs. Okay, right. So, is this the hair store? I'm pretty sure it is. Yes. So, I'm going to see the hair stores. Oh my god. They're really pretty. How about that? I don't have enough. I don't have enough for these airlines. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, we can get any makeup. Or I like that dark one. Let's get that one. Alright, equip now. Exit. Oh, I love that. That's really nice. Got 29, so I'm not sure if we'll be able to find leg wraps, but yeah, this has been really fun. Okay, right, so let's go back to my horse. So we have black leg wraps. They should be alright. So we can see the final product. Right, let's go now. I've always wanted this outfit, but I haven't had enough stuff in, so maybe I got it now. Alright. Oh my god, the black leg wraps are fine. Like, oh my god, this is adorable. This is actually adorable. I'm so happy with my outfit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this video here, guys. I don't really know what twist out. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, so I hope you have fun watching this. Give it a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, whatever it is. Yeah, bye guys.